All right, hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue with the elements of a good prompt. Now, in this video, this is going to be, relatively simple, but we want to give ChatGPT the format that we want the response in. So, for example, in many of our agents that write blogs, we tell ChatGPT in the prompt, I want you to write a 2,500 word, and of course it can't output that big, but at some point it will be able to. So how long do we want it? What is the formatting? Well, we want you to use normal text for all of the paragraph text, and we want you to use header 2 for all of the titles in the article, and a header 1 bolded for the main title. We want you to italicize important words and phrases and concepts. If there are definitions or quotes, we want you to break those out and italicize those and center those. So we can tell it any number of formatting elements. We want you to include 5 frequently asked questions at the end of the article, and we want you to bold the question and include a double space before the response, a double enter, to create a little bit of space there. Okay, so we want to tell it the format that we want the output in. And that obviously is going to vary widely. You might have, for a resume, if we're talking about creating a resume for a job or something, you're going to have the format be different. And so one of the things that might be helpful is looking up. If you don't know what you're doing prior to starting, you might look up really high performing, whatever it is. Yesterday we were doing training on creating online course sales pages, Sophie. And well, how do I know what the formatting is? Well, I can go look at the best performing course sales pages I can find on the internet and then break it down from there and say, okay, here's what I want. Even taking a picture of those pages and say, tell me how this is formatted in a way that ChatGPT can understand. And then it will create the prompt explaining how that page is formatted. And then you can include that in your prompt. So that would be like a meta prompt example. And if you're watching this video, you can watch the meta prompting video, and that'll make a lot more sense if you watch that lesson. So we want to give it the format of the output that we want. Any questions or thoughts on that? All right. So we are going to go ahead and go on to the next prompt. What are we doing? The elements of a good prompt, and we're going to move into that right now.